Here it is the main street of the old city. Huh? It's pushing, is selling pears. But these pears you should really be hungry to eat them, huh? Now really, they are spoiled pears, huh? Pear, yeah. They can make liquor. Yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes we'll be in front of this gate which is called the Bab Mansour. Bab, B-A-B, it means gate. Mansour, it means victorious. It is named after the architect that designed it. And you can see kind of public fountains like this one on your left hand side. And we are going to doorstop here. And we will go out for about 15-20 minutes for the photo of the gate, take it, and then we'll go to do a small tour in this local market, as I told you, and to work also in this square. We will need the whispers, it will help me. It will be a rule. For example, when we'll be mixed with the crowd, if you lose the group, but I'm telling you, if you can stay, we stay all together, because we are just having a small stop and then we are leaving. If you lose the group, don't panic, you wait just where you feel that you lost the group and coming back to find you. Because if you try to look for us, you
They are making their show. It's like the gentleman has his point, a small monkeys. The monkeys, they come from the Middle Atlas Mountains. Okay, if I see one, we'll go stop and you can take photos. Huh? And take care of him, and this way you take photos. This way, please. And one way. Later, we go out first.
Dad, I bought, so I live at Belmont, South Florida. And I bought my car. I've been vacant for years and years and years. Yeah, and then I was still vacant.
What we call tagine. Tagine, by the way, is the name of the pot, and anything which is cooked in it is called tagine. And in a traditional way, we cook the tagine on this charcoal stove. So we put charcoal and we use the gas stove. The stove is this one, on which we cook the tagine.
Look at the bone marrow.
You have the fruit clay. Which clay? Or the one unglazed? This is called the tagine, yes. And anything that we cook there, we call it tagine. Exactly. They are making filo dough. The filo dough for making pastries, for making pastilla, for making also cigars. They make them so that we buy it by kilo, it is bought by weight. I'm asking his permission if you can take the photos, you can take his photo. Huh? Making the filo dough. He has one condition, once you take the photo, you come back to put hand in what he's doing. Yeah, madam. Telling you, he's insisting that you should help him.
That's what we had.
We found mainly olives. And now when we find the pastries, it means that the Moroccan women are becoming more lazy. Because before it was Moroccan women that are making there with using a religious space with things in it. So be prepared. Okay? Moroccan cookies.
Moroccan cookies.
No, chameleon, yeah. Chameleon. And she put the cookies in the not chameleon. It's different spices.
Oh, wow. That's spicy.
Camalinho.
What they are arranging there, she make a kind of marmalade, and the original one is made with almonds, what you make it with peanuts. And it is grind mixed with olive oil, honey, or that's the authentic one is almond with argan and honey. You have here the original in the market, it was mainly the olives. So it is the only section in which they are still selling olives, different variety of cured olives. You have black olive. Looking for somebody chickens.
Der camera. Bueno, der.
100 ريال صوت 100 العيالات تربنات اشكال الوان موديلات 100 ريال ديال 260 100 ديال 260 100 صولد 100 ريال صولد 100 ريال صولد 100 ريال ديال 260 غير 5 دراهم العيالات تربنات اشكال الوان موديلات 100 ريال ديال 260 100 صولد 100 صولد 100 صولد 100 100 ريال 100 100 100 100 100 البنات العيالات ديال 260 100 ريال
طلعش المية طلعش المية مول البنيات مول البنيات
مشيتو ماشي ساعة ولا جالسة أنا وياك
شكرا أبو
هو يجي صاحبنا حيدا خلات صور هو يجي صاحبنا
مسكينة حمقاها
أنا الفريال دابا على بواصون
Take a photo of him. I'm going to take care of him. Huh? Okay. Wow! Snake charmer. He's not eating it. It's a snake charmer. He's a grass snake. It's not poisonous. You can use it for playing. Who wants to put it around the neck?
I do. Griffin, come on, Griffin.
Delia.
She'll eat it. She's gonna eat it.
Delia Fitya.
Hold on. That's my girl.
Now she can, you see she's visiting Meknes, remember what I told you? She can go back to United States and play the role of the snake charmer.
Oh, yeah.
She got the blessing of the city. she can join the team. No more.
ميجا أو 200 ميجا.
Now, who wants to take the photo with the ostrich? No.
Take the picture.
شحال تدخل سوما لا 10 dirham for the photo. 10 $1.
Madame, the money, madame.
Yeah, we can do
Madame.
So the mother-in-law is putting the new wife into practice to see if she knows to do couscous or things like this. I'm joking now.
Half joking.
The honeymoon, we have some people, sometimes they go to the honeymoon. It depends. For example, the one who is living here in Meknes is going to Agadir, we go mainly to the touristy resorts, Marrakesh, down south, Tangier, no north. Yes. Sometimes you have persons that have means, money. They go to Spain, to France, to United States. It depends. Everyone has his own. Whereas before the honeymoon, what was the honeymoon for? For example, the woman when she got married, during 15 days, she was living in a house as a queen. Treat his wife as